Welcome back to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in interior design. Today we have something truly special in store for you. A deep dive into the world of Diwan designs for luxury houses. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the most exquisite home designs. When it comes to luxury living, it's all about creating spaces that seamlessly blend style and comfort. And what better way to achieve that than with a stunning divan? These versatile pieces of furniture are the epitome of opulence and elegance. As you can see, divans come in a myriad of designs from traditional to contemporary, but they all share one thing in common. They are the perfect addition to any luxury home. Whether you are laughing with a book, entertaining guests, or simply relishing some good time, a divan is your best companion. The choice of materials is crucial when it comes to luxury divan design. High quality woods, sumptuous fabrics, and exquisite detailing are the name of the game. To truly elevate your divan's luxury quotient, don't forget to accessories, plush cushions, throw blankets, and a carefully selected coffee table can transform your divan into a masterpiece. I hope the collection of modern divan designs will be very helpful to decor your living homes. So please don't forget to subscribe my latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel and share this video to your colleagues. And we will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching the complete video.